Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming any photos you need are backed up to cloud or exported. You don't want surprises later. Once done, open Settings and scroll to Apps or Applications Manager. Make sure you select the device user profile that holds Google Photos if you use multiple profiles. This gets you straight into the app list. Tap to open the app info for Google Photos so you can take the next explicit uninstall actions without hunting through menus. You should first clear cache and clear data to remove temporary files and sign out residuals. This prevents leftover account links. Next, tap Uninstall. If the button is disabled because Photos is a system app, choose Disable or Remove Updates instead. Make sure to confirm any prompts that ask to delete app data. If Remove Updates appears, do that first, then uninstall. These steps ensure the app is fully removed or returned to factory state. You finish by restarting your device to clear residual processes and verify Google Photos is gone from the app drawer. If you plan to reinstall later, open Play Store and download it again. If the uninstall or disable fails, make sure Photos is not set as a device administrator and check for System App Status under Special App Access. You may need to remove updates or use ADB on some models. One key tip: reboot after changing permissions or removing device admin to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.